Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check storage on Windows 11. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. On Windows 11, if you wonder what's taking up space on your computer, you can find in a quick answer using the storage settings. Although the storage feature usually comes in handy to free up hard drive space, you can also use it to analyze the content on the drive. This way, you can find out how the available space is being used and know where what files to remove to reclaim space that otherwise you couldn't use this feature. So, how to check your space, your storage space on your Windows 11? It's so simple. So, you can just open your settings by tap on the window in here. You can open the windows. Now click on settings, and you'll find there is an option on the recommended settings storage in here. You can just tap on that. You can click on that. So here's your storage, where you can check your storage on your Windows 11. As you can see in here, it's still processing. It's counting your installed apps and also the temporary files, others, and documents. You can see in here. As you can see in here, my local disk, my storage is this 228 gigabyte, and my installed apps is 55.3 gigabyte, 59 I mean. And this is the temporary files, others, and document. On temporary files, you can just delete it if you want to. You can choose. There is a on the temporary file there is a recycle bin, system error memory dump files, Windows upgrade log files, window update cleanup, and others. You can clean it to make to give your storage more space. And also there is a document. You can check your document. You can view the document and delete for unused document. There is an option clean up recommendation. If you click on that, you can choose to delete, like recycle bin. You can clean up, click on clean up, continue. So now you have more space on your PC or laptop. It's still processing. You can just wait. And also in here, you can, if you go back to the settings, you can see the advanced storage setting. Like this is sort, use on other drive where new content is saved, storage space, and other settings in here. So you can manage in here for your storage space. It's so simple, right? So that is how to check your storage space on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.